Greetings, welcome back to The More You Know. So today we're tackling a fairly simple task but could seem daunting. We're just going to change out our toilet seat. This one has gotten pretty blah. It's wood and painted, so the paint's coming off. It just looks gross. So let's switch it out with a new one. So obviously first things first, we need to remove the old one. Depending on what your old one is like, usually there is a nut or bolt or something like that underneath that you just unscrew. You might need a socket wrench or something of that nature. This
one. Who needs this?
Don't feel like it's going anywhere, people. That's yours.
Come on, Mom. Come on.
What are y'all doing?
I'll just say bathrooms are disgusting.
See.
And I clearly don't know how to get this off of here.
I know.
Mm.
You have to screw it until you feel it coming off.
Is that what I need to do?
You have to, first you have to put that hand on and screw it, and then you have to put the other hand on.
There we go.
Ah!
So I get the bolt off. Hey, Caleb. I need pliers.
Caleb, we need pliers.
You know what pliers are? So gross. My knees were not made for this kneeling. Let me go help you.
See.
So get some pliers if you need to hold the top so that you can unscrew whatever bolt or connectors on the bottom. That is nasty. Spookies, says it is. And obviously, repeats on the other side. Half-inch socket wrench seems to be the typical, or I guess standard size for this stuff, because it's what I need to take the old one off, and it's also the right size for the new toilet seat that I'll be putting on. So yeah, socket wrench. This piece, 1/2 inch, what you need. So, now we got the old one off. Get some cleaner. Get it ready for the new stuff. That's just rust from the bolt, not poop. At least I hope. We have kids, so you never know. Yes, I'm a little anal. Don't judge me. I couldn't get the stuff out the middle of the hole, so. There we go. Now that's all cleaned up, we can install the new seats. So we went with an all plastic seat this time, so we don't have to worry about the paint coming off and looking nasty. What kind of seat is it, Jeffrey? So we got a, I guess Bemis is how you pronounce that. I got this one. You can take the whole seat off to clean, kind of all that stuff you just saw me cleaning. It's not supposed to loosen, so it's supposed to tighten and not end up with that wiggly toilet seat. It doesn't slam, so it has the whisper close, or it'll close slowly, and all that good stuff. So that's what we got. If you are interested in something similar. So to begin putting it together for those pieces, first take this piece with the metal part sticking up, and there's a rubber piece, put that in the bottom, make sure the opening lines up with this opening. So you just put that in the bottom like so. So that's our nice one piece. Then you have this washer and your bolt. Put your washer down in there, slide your bolt through. And then you take this little white plastic piece, the flat side going up. So you see one side is flat and one side has stuff sticking out. The flat side is gonna go up. Just twist that on all the way to the top. The instructions said to put this cap on first, but I waited so that I could hold the bolt down so that I could actually screw that piece on. So next you take this little cover, put it on top. Now that is assembled and ready to go. You also want to be sure you can still kind of move that back and forth, because you will need to be able to adjust the seat once you put it on. And as you can see, I already did the other one, but then this just clicks down. Maybe clicks down in there. Just joking. Why is it not clicking? Oh, maybe because I had, oh. There we go. I had to take the other one out in order to get that one to click back in. Okay. All is well. So, just rotate it so those bolts are out and just drop it down into the holes. That a little looser. just loosen that up a little bit so that this would move a little more and get in the right position. Fit down in there properly. And so it's adjustable because you can see the toilet seat is back further than the actual bowl. So I'm going to slide this to make the seat longer. Better. So that comes out now, it's flush with the toilet there. So now we're going to take one of the bolts here, place it underneath, and just tighten it with your hand. So it'll still move a little bit right now until you get it adjusted the way you need it. So you want to make sure it's centered nicely on the sides and also in the front, that it's not back too far or whatnot. Once you get it where you want it, you're going to hold it down and you're going to use your socket wrench to tighten it all the way on. You're going to have to adjust your socket wrench if you just used it to take it off, the old one off, so that it will now tighten. You're going to tighten until that bottom part snaps off, like so. That is how you know it is tight enough. I'm going to move on to the other side. Same thing, just keep tightening until that little bottom part snaps off. There we go. So now it's tight, it is level. You have a new toilet seat. So as you can see, it doesn't slam, it'll softly close. And yeah, it's all plastic, so it won't, you will never get that gross looking, the gnarliness you see there. Also has little rubber things right here. So on the old one, it was like plastic and it ended up cracking and nastiness would get all up in that. These are rubber and solid, so we don't have that issue with these. So that is nice. So anyway, that is all for that. Toilet seat changed. That's all we got. Until next time. Peace. And so in addition to being soft close, also the entire toilet seat can easily come off to clean in those little crevices. So you just press down, it clicks off. You can take the whole thing off. Allows you to clean in there real good. And then to put it back on, you just line it back up over the holes. Click it back down, and it is reattached.